Let the Badlapur protest bring changes in the lives of children. Hello everyone, welcome to the Upfront. Today we address an issue that demands our immediate attention and action. While the nation is focused on the tragic case of a doctor's rape and murder in West Bengal, a horrific incident in Badlapur Thane district, Maharashtra is stirring up the state. The sexual assault of two nursery school children has sparked widespread outrage. What began as a protest outside the school on Monday has now escalated, engulfing all of Maharashtra in a wave of anger and demand for justice. On Tuesday, a protest at the local railway station turned violent, resulting in a clash between police and demonstrators. Government reports indicate that 25 police officers were injured and over 70 protesters were arrested. This movement has quickly taken a political turn, with leaders from the Shiv Sena, NCP and the Congress stepping in. In contrast, the BJP, which has been vocal about women's safety in West Bengal, has remained notably silent on this case. What happened in Badlapur isn't an isolated incident. It's a part of a grim pattern that repeats itself across the country daily. In this case, a young boy sexually assaulted two girls aged 3 and 4 in the school toilet. Instead of acting swiftly, the school administration tried to cover up the incident, prioritizing the school's reputation over the children's safety. The police, too, were negligent, acting only after the public outrage reached a boiling point. The Maharashtra Commission for Protection of Child Rights reported that the school management delayed filing a complaint, with the parents of victim waiting for 11 hours at the police station. This gross negligence forced the parents and locals to stage roadblocks and even block trains in their fight for justice, which eventually led to violence. According to a United Nations report, India still doesn't take child sexual abuse seriously enough. Most children who are abused don't even realize what's happening to them. Shockingly, 90% of child abuse occurs within the home, often perpetrated by relatives. Even in schools where children should feel safe, such abuses occur. Unfortunately, when complaints arise, the system often blames the victims, leaving children and their families without recourse. A government commission survey revealed that more than 53% of children in India experience some form of sexual abuse. NCRB data shows that only 65.6% of these assaults are reported, with the rest being swept under the rug. During the lockdown, Childline, in partnership with the Ministry of Child Development, received over 3 lakh calls in just 15 days, with 92,105 related to child sexual abuse. These statistics indicate a disturbing 50% increase in child abuse during the lockdown. Childhood is the foundation of a person's entire personality. If it is shattered, the damage is often irreparable. The Badlapur protest must not be in vain. It should be a catalyst for change. We need to raise awareness about children's rights, not just in Maharashtra but across the entire country. We must push for stricter laws to protect children and ensure that schools and other institutions that fail in their duty to safeguard children are held accountable. As parents, it's crucial to listen to our children, not just focus on their academic performances. We must be sensitive to the signs that something is wrong and take action to protect our kids. Let the Badlapur protest be the beginning of a movement that brings about lasting change, ensuring that every child in India can grow up safe and secure. That's all for today. If you like the content we provide, please subscribe to the Upfront and press the bell icon to get notification of all our updates. Please share our videos and educate others. Thank you.